Namaskar. If you are new to yoga, you must still be familiar with your asanas by now. The next step is practicing pranayama. Pranayams are powerful yogic techniques because they regulate the movement of prana or life force in your body. So today I am going to introduce you to 5 beginners friendly pranayam that you can do in a 5 minutes sequence. First, conditioning. Just watch your normal breath by simply sitting in a very comfortable pose, what you would call as sukhasana, in a relaxed way, back straight, head straight. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice your inhalation and exhalation without attempting to control it. This will make you feel centered and bring balance in your autonomous nervous system. Second, intercostal breathing. Here, your rib cage expands and contracts. Start focusing on the expansion of rib cage during inhalation and its contraction during exhalation. The intercostal muscle and the lower rib plays very important role in your overall health. That's why it is called as intercostal breathing. Here there is better oxygenation because of this movement in the vital capacity of your lungs. So now sit straight in any meditative pose. Close your eyes. Put your arm on the side at the rib cage where your ribs are there, below diaphragm, and hold it like this so that the fingers are in front and thumb behind. Now, while inhaling, expand your rib from side slowly, and exhaling, contract your ribs from side. Focus on this movement. Expansion, ribs go to the side. You can't take a deep breath here. It would be short breath, maximum 3 seconds, and breathe out 3 seconds. Go on doing this for 10 to 15 rounds and master this movement. Third pranayama is clavicular breathing. This pranayama is very simple. The clavicular muscles are used, and so it is called as clavicular breathing. In this pranayama, you are oxygenating the areas which these muscles are not usually used. So when you use them, better oxygenation, better health. So now how to do it? Sit straight again in any meditative pose. Close your eyes and bring your arm on your shoulder. Your thumb, side, fingers, front. Your elbows are straight. And now, while inhaling, bring your chest up, forward and up while inhaling. And push your shoulders little up and elbows little behind so that you expand your rib. And while exhaling, relax your shoulders, arms, come to normal position. So do this. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, your shoulders up, elbows behind, little behind. Exhale, elbows straight again, shoulders down and chest in. So here you will notice the movement of chest going up and down, which would really help in increasing circulation to rib as well as cervical region. Next pranayama is abdominal breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, where we are using the diaphragm for breathing in and out. This technique involves expansion of abdomen during inhalation and its contraction during exhalation. This involves the movement of your diaphragm. It really has a very relaxing sedative effect on your nervous system, and it helps relaxing your entire body. So to do pranayama number 4, the best position should be to learn. The best position is lying down. So lie down on your back, Fold both your legs, bring them towards your bottom, your knee pointing upwards, both knees together, your foot little away from each other, maybe 1 foot away from each other at hip level. Keep your one arm on your stomach, another relaxed straight down, palm facing upwards. Now, while inhaling, bring your abdomen little up, and while exhaling, bring your abdomen little in. Let it sink in. Again, inhale, abdomen up, exhale, abdomen in. Go on doing this 15 to 20 times, even 30 times. It is very, very relaxing, very effective for the entire abdominal viscera and all the internal organs which are functioning. So, this is pranayama number 4. Now, the same thing you can do sitting. So, sit and do the same. Standing also you can do the same, but in lying down, abdomen moves much bigger way. So, for mastering, you should practice in a lying down position. So, now let's do Om chanting. We can end this quick pranayam group with Om chanting. So, breathe in fully, little bit stop your breath, and now focus on the sound when we say Om. So, So automatically you are breathing out long exhalation, and that really relaxes every muscle of your body, everything, your nervous system, and it works wonders. Repeat this 10 times at least before going to bed or as soon as you get up in the morning. This 5-minute pranayam routine in your daily life will bring really physical and mental change and uplift you. As we explore these practices, you will notice that you will be able to manage balance of your mind, you will manage to energy management of your body, and you will feel very fine, energetic. But remember, you should practice this 5 minutes every day without taking any break, even at weekend. Namaskar.